Okay, so Kiana and I talked about all of these questions and we wrote down what we felt was the best answer to all of them. So for the first question, it says briefly describe Foolanian math and how it works. So together we decided that Foolanian math is a base 6 number system and it works similar to our base 10 number system, but it's a little bit more challenging for us because we were taught and we learned base 10 system ever since we were younger. And then for number two, it asks, what are your math takeaways from this activity? And we decided that the base 10 number system can be manipulated. And our base 10 system can be taught at a basic level, but using an activity like this one, it can challenge our students to think more deeply about this simple concept.
The third question is, what did this lesson teach you about our base 10 math system? So like we said earlier, we just said that the base 10 math system can be manipulated in a way that can challenge our thinking. And there are different ways that we could make sure, we could use this as a different way to make sure students understand our math system and make sure they know how to manipulate math systems. For number 4, which is what might be the benefit of teaching Foolanian math to students, we talked about a lot, concerning talented and gifted students, or we could use it like as an end of the unit activity, kind of like, I know like Saxon math, they use investigation, so we would use this too. And I think it would really, we both decided it would really benefit our students, but we would use it with caution just because we would want to make sure that our students really understand the base 10 system, which, yeah, they have a lot of exposure, but you don't always know before introducing Foolanian math, just because it is a little bit hard to comprehend, but we thought it would be helpful to use. Which grade level would this work well with? We thought middle schoolers it would work the best, just because they're at that point where like they know base 10, but they also really like to try new stuff. So they're still intrigued by the idea of somebody new coming to class and showing them this idea. High schoolers might not find the joy in this topic quite as much just because they think that everything's not cool and whatever. But we thought middle school students would still find the terminology really interesting and fun to play with.